A control plan is a structured and comprehensive document containing quality assurance methods used in a manufacturing process to meet customer requirements. The control plan specifies the controls to be exercised on the product characteristics, the process characteristics, the special characteristics, and the monitoring methods. The objectives of a control plan are to reduce wastage by minimizing variations, to enhance customer satisfaction by meeting the customer requirements, and to improve communication across the multidisciplinary team regarding any corrective measures. In order to effectively control and maintain quality in the manufacturing process, the manufacturing organization develops 4 key process documents: the Process Flow Diagram, or the PFD, the Process Failure Mode and Effects Analysis, or the PFMEA, the Control Plan, and the Operator Instructions. The prerequisites for creating a control plan for a manufacturing process include developing the PFD and the PFMEA. Then the control plan can be created, followed by the operator instructions. Using the control plan, the operator instructions are developed to show workstation personnel how to implement each step of the control measures at the shop floor, from internal inspection through manufacturing and packaging. In order to effectively implement quality control measures, a control plan should be created for the complete manufacturing process at multiple levels, such as the component level, the subsystem level, and the system level. Using the example of the transmission mechanism in a car, the multiple levels of control plan creation can be explained. The component level control plan identifies the characteristics of an individual gear, along with the associated monitoring controls that are implemented to control the production. In the same way, a subsystem level control plan identifies the characteristics of a gear assembly, which has multiple components, along with the associated monitoring controls that are implemented to control the production. Similarly, the system level control plan identifies the characteristics of the entire transmission system, along with the associated monitoring controls that are implemented to control the production. A control plan should be maintained and updated throughout the life cycle of the product to include any improvements or corrective measures that must be reflected in the control methods. As a result, a control plan is considered a living document.